In this example, we're going to find the mass percentage of oxygen in an iron oxide compound. Now the formula for the compound is Fe2O3, which means that each molecule contains 2 atoms of iron and 3 atoms of oxygen. Now the simplest way to do this is just to find the molar mass of the compound and then the molar mass of the element we're trying to find the mass percentage of, and divide that together. So let's do that. Now O3, the molar mass for O3 is simply 3 times 16.0, which gives me about 48.0 grams per mole. Now the iron is then 2 times 55.85, which gives me 1.7 grams per mole. Now I add these two together, so the molar mass of Fe2O3 is then equals to 159.7 grams per mole, and the mass percentage of oxygen is then 48.0 divided by 159.7, which gives me approximately 30%. Now I can find the mass percentage of iron the same way, and the mass percentage of iron would then be 111.7 divided by 159.7, which gives me, well, I guess around 70%. So you can see that finding the mass percentage of an element in a compound is really rather simple.